You're welcome. So I'll be sharing my moi moi recipe with you. This moi moi is super delicious and is a must try by everyone. So I'll be using the black eye beans, and I'll go ahead and just wash the beans by removing the skin of the beans, and I'll be doing that off camera. So here the beans is nicely washed and the skin has been removed, and I'll be soaking the beans in water till the next day for 24 hours. So this is the next day, guys, and the beans has actually risen too. So I'll go ahead and wash the beans with some clean water and I'll set it aside while I prepare the ingredients. So these are the ingredients I'll be using: peppers, shombo onion, oporo, crayfish, fresh fish, seasoning powder, salt, curry, thyme, nutmegs and carrots. And these are the wraps I'll be using. So I'll use some of the seasoning powder to spice the fish and then I'll fry while I blend the beans and the peppers. And then I'll be blending these beans in batches. So the beans and the peppers are nicely blended, and I'll go ahead and just add all the ingredients one after the other, and I'll mix thoroughly, and then I'll add the fried fish and carrots. After mixing everything well, I'll go ahead and wrap them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook to see more of my recipes. So at this point, I'll be cooking the moi moi for 30 minutes, and here the moi moi is ready. Thank you so much for joining me today and hope to see you next time. Bye.